This is our luggage. 85% of those are mine. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for this Holy Week, we decided to just chill here in Manila and have another home away from home experience with another staycation. This is our luggage. 85% of those are mine. Mga tipong, ano to, good for 10 days. Hindi ako good for 10 days, oh. Guys, so for my doll's birthday or my dolliversary, which is the day that I started collecting dolls, I got my doll, this Barbie Ocean, Loves the Ocean playset. So it's so cute. It reminds me of Barbie Island Fun Pot, but you know, I'm so tanga with assembling things, so I need help. And what to do in staycation, but you know, assemble adult Barbie playset. Hey guys, so it's nighttime now and we're enjoying things at Seda Hotel. It's a very cozy room. I'm charging my earbuds for the gym tomorrow. Okay, and I'm working on my latest crochet project over here. So excited because this is gonna be another dress. Hey guys, chill now. Hey guys, it's 6:10 a.m. and I'm gonna hit the gym. And if you follow me in my IG, you know that I always post workouts in my reels. So it's some sort of just like an accountability thing that I do so that, you know, that I get more encouraged to exercise, do something, and also checking on my progress. Okay, so we're looking for a place to eat. Hopefully, meron kami makakainan. As you can see, most of the restaurants here and stores are closed. Okay. Calvin Klein's closed. Uniqlo is closed. Finally, guys, we are eating here at Kiwani. Yes, I have dessert. Binitay mo. So, they're close to Central Square. Hence, guys, no families. This is a chair for the Claw Daddy cats. One Claw Daddy cat. Two Claw Daddy cats. And a puppy. Hey guys, so I'll be spending the rest of the afternoon for doing my crochet project over here. Hopefully, I get to have a longer skirt so I can go with the lace work for this. No? Init sa labas. Konti lang yung mga bukas na resto eh. It's a gym time. I'm going to the gym again. Morning's here. The morning's here. Sunshine is clear. It's a brand new day, BGC. It looks like Singapore, but it's BGC. I don't know what rhymes na again. Good morning, BGC. Kain tayo, breakfast. Brand new day, BGC. Let's eat breakfast. It's a brand new day. La la la. It's a brand new day. La 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 la. Breakfast time. Bake this lunch. Grabe guys, this is Holy Week in the city. It's like a ghost town, you know. Pwede kang kumartin sa daan. As you guys can see, most, if not all of the shops are closed except for a few restos. We had our lunch at Starbucks. Originally planned ko sa Grams because I super love their pancakes, but unfortunately, sarado. Any luck with their banyo? Apparently guys, there's this little edible herb garden in BGC. That's tarragon. Got a lot of sweet basil. I'm gonna show you guys. Woof woof! Look at this, so much sweet basil. Some of them are already blooming. And you have dill, rosemary. If I pass, puppy? Okay lang? Okay lang ba? Oh, cute. And there's rosemary over here. Guys, it's super legit siya ha. Guys, it really smells like rosemary. Bango. And this is like sweet basil. It's legit. Yeah, it is like basil. So legit siya. It's located here in Fully Booked. I don't know if they allow people to pick na pang propagate, but at least it's something like a sustainable herb garden, maybe for the restaurants here. and all. This is for the tamad na umalis na ng room. Nag-room service na lang. Chill, chill. This is my favorite pajamas. It's an avocado pajama. I got this actually in Lazada. I've always been looking for avocado prints and they never have my size. But I just saw this random store that had my size and I got it. I think I should get it in 5 more colors. The clamp! The clamp! Quick! 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 Dali! 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 Oh no! Oh no! I need the clamp! Ah! No windows, please! I'm scared of windows! Yay! 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 Hey guys, so ang aga ko nagising. Going to be going to the gym again. I'm gonna miss all these machines. Wala kasi kaming gym sa amin. Plus, nakakatamad member ng gym. So, here. Breakfast for the handy person. Oh guys, the breakfast here is so good. I'm having a riscado. It's so warm. It's so nice. And they have the breakfast of champions, taho. Accomplishment, guys. I was able to pack for now I have 3 bags. Well, with my handbag, it's 4. You know why? Inuwi na namin yung other 4 bags. So, yun, ito na lang. Kasi nawintang yung Seda that I had 7 bags and that's just me. And they thought I was gonna stay for 2 months. So, ayun. Pero here, I only have konti lang. Guys, that's the end of my vlog today, and I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog regarding our Holy Week mini staycation here at Seda BGC, another home away from home. Guys, please check it out. The food is amazing. Ang ganda ng gym. The facilities are so nice. The people are friendly. Thank you very much, and I hope you guys like it. And I'll see you all next week. Bye!